Have you ever wondered where our deepest sense of right and wrong truly comes from? Before economics shaped nations, before Adam Smith became known as the father of capitalism, he wrote something far more intimate, the theory of moral sentiments. Imagine stepping into 1759 Scotland. The world is changing. Empires are rising. Revolutions stirring. And here comes Smith, not with numbers or markets, but with a profound meditation on human empathy, on what binds us together as a species. He asks, why do we care about each other? Why does another person's joy or sorrow move us so deeply, even when it brings us no personal gain? This is not a dry treatise. It is a deeply human book, one that breathes with compassion and insight. Smith believed that sympathy, our ability to step into another's shoes, is the true foundation of morality. In a time of the Enlightenment, reason, and political upheaval, he dared to say that our hearts matter just as much as our minds. Think about how radical that was. This wasn't just philosophy. It was a cultural turning point. It shaped how people saw themselves, their communities, even their governments. The book whispers across centuries that morality is not imposed from above, but grows between us in the fragile, beautiful space where we recognize each other's humanity. Reading it today feels like uncovering the emotional roots of modern society. It reminds us that before Smith mapped the invisible hand of the market, he revealed the invisible threads of empathy that hold us together. If you've ever wanted to step into the very soul of the Enlightenment, if you've ever wanted to see where ideas that still shape our world were first born, this is your invitation. Adam Smith is waiting, not just as an economist, but as a guide to the moral imagination. And you can explore this rare and remarkable first edition here at Raptus Rare Books, visiting us on Worth Avenue in Palm Beach or at raptusrarebooks.com.